Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a really quick finale to the Mission 100% Cruelty-Free Project Pan. I haven't updated this project in a really long time because I just have a lot of projects on the go and this wasn't a top priority for me because the creator of this project, Sarah, actually ended her project as well. So this was a 5-pan that was rolling, and the objective of this project was for our beauty collections to be 100% cruelty free. Now since my last update, there have been once again more changes to the industry, and I still haven't fully formed my own opinions and beliefs accordingly. Like, I just don't know where I stand. So it's really frustrating for a project like this because despite my best efforts, my collection is not really getting more cruelty free. I am up to 85% if we're using the standards of like logical harmony, which typically has always been my #1 source. I don't really want to get into like all of the differences and my feelings in this video because I do just want this to be a quick finale for this project, but it just doesn't make sense for me to continue this project when the creator of the project has already ended her project. I keep saying project. And I'm also unsure of my cruelty-free feelings right now. So it's just not a good fit at this time. I am still on a journey to having a more ethical collection. I'm just not sure what that means for me right now. However, through this project over the last, I think it's been a little over a year, I have successfully moved out a ton of products that are from brands that I just don't support, and I feel really good about that. I met my goal on 11 items within this project. Some of those goals were just hitting pan, but others were completed products, which I feel good about as I'm just repeating myself. I'm just going to run through the 5 products that I had in this project. It's been so long that I don't even have all of them anymore. The first is this Rimmel Kate lipstick in the shade 8. I've been working on this on and off for a very long time, and despite the many months that have passed, I've only used this 2 times. Can't make a new mark. I'm just going to put this away in my collection for a little bit. I've been working on it on and off since January of 2018, and it's just cluttering up my everyday makeup drawer where I keep my lipsticks that I'm panning. I honestly just don't want to look at it right now. Secondly, the Rimmel Lip Liner in East End Snob. I've actually used this a ton, and knowing I was ending this project, I did put this in the Panners pan to represent Alejandra Lisette because she is the queen of panning lip liners, and I do want this to be out of my collection hopefully by the end of the year to lower my inventory numbers, but if not, soon into 2021. There really isn't that much left. I will pop in a picture of my progress. So I am still working on this, but just not in this project because I'm ending it. And the last 3 products were actually non-makeup products because I am working on so many. I wanted to work on just my beauty products, not just my makeup, because that is the part of my beauty collection that is the most non-cruelty free, and I wanted to work on it. So I have this Bath & Body Works lotion in the scent Be Enchanted. If you know of a scent dupe or something close to this, then please let me know because I really like this scent and so does my husband. So I would like to have something similar, just not from Bath & Body Works. It is with jojoba and vitamin E, sparkling blend of iced pomegranate and sugared petals. I don't know, it smelled really good, but I am happy that this is gone. I had 2 samples, perfume samples that counted as one product, and they are now both officially gone. One was Versace Bright Crystal, which I did review in my most recent empties video, and then I just finished this off the other week. And this is Gucci Bamboo. Neither of them, cruelty-free status aside, I would have repurchased anyways. They just weren't for me. And the last product was the Clarins SPF. I believe I also reviewed this in my last empties video, and I'm happy to finally have that finished as well. So like I said, 11 products over the course of this project have moved through my collection, or at least made really good progress on, and I'm happy for that. But it's just not a good fit for me at this time. So this is me ending the project. This was a fantastic idea, created, like I said, by Sarah. I'm so excited to have one less project on my mind. Let me know if your feelings towards cruelty-free beauty products has changed over the last few months with everything that has been going on. I don't know if you keep up with that kind of stuff or not. Let me know where you land. Like I mentioned at the beginning, I'm still kind of trying to sort things out. It's been months and I still haven't landed on how I feel. It's very complicated. Anyways, I'm going to stop rambling. If you did enjoy today's video, even though it was really short, which for me, that never happens, give it a thumbs up so that I know, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.